Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. I am your mentor and teacher Arpita Sharma. All my UPSC 2025 aspirants, I know the last month is the month which gives us anxiety. It is the month which is full of emotional roller coaster, fear, doubt, revision fatigue, and I know it's very tough to stay sane. But don't worry. These last 30 days are not for finishing the syllabus, mind you. These are for just mastering what you already know, which means revision. That's it. कुछ भी नया नहीं उठाना. And today I'm going to give you a complete study plan of the last 30 days, how you can utilize every week, every day. Okay? Now, these last 30 days are the real game changers. So, I'm going to share with you a very important weekly breakdown of the entire month so that you can revise accordingly. Let's get started, everyone. I'm going to give you a 30-day macro strategy starting from week 1. Week 1, that is day 1 to day 7. This is the most crucial week because you are doing your second revision in this week. It can be second revision also. If you have already revised twice, it can be the third revision also, but I am thinking ki one time syllabus is finished, now you are just revising, so we'll keep it at second revision. Second revision of core subjects should be done in the first week. What are the core subjects? We have polity, we have geography, we have modern history, we have economy. These are the major core subjects, and then we have science and technology, and we have environment and ecology. So these are the core subjects, right? You have to do second revision of these core subjects. Now whatever notes you have made, revise only them. Whatever test on these subjects you have given, revise the explanation of those tests only. Whatever current affair magazines you are following, for example, you are following Super Kalam's current affair magazines, revise only those one institute magazine, not two or three magazines from different institutes. No. Okay. Then focus on mistakes in the test series. You must have given a lot of tests in the last few months. Focus on the errors that you did, because that is going to help you understand कि ये चीज मुझे repeat नहीं करनी है. I do not have to repeat this in the actual exam. So you must have created an error notebook of all your mistakes. If not, you can create it and you can focus on it कि आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ते वक्त क्या गलती करी, आंसर डिसाइड करते वक्त ऑप्शंस में कहाँ फंबल कर गए, कौन सी सिली मिस्टेक थी, कहाँ फैक्चुअल एरर्स थे. Then start revising static plus current affairs simultaneously. साथ में ही रिवाइज करना है. For example, today you are revising polity. Make sure both static and current affairs of polity should be revised. ये नहीं कि today I'll revise static, then after 5 days I'll revise current affairs of polity. No, revise simultaneously. Allocate 6 hours to revision and 2 hours to your test. And in test, PYQs पे focus ज़्यादा करना है. No new test has to be given. The already given test, revise them and revise the previous year questions. That's it. Then we are going to move to week number 2, which is day 8 to day 14. Now this is the third revision week. Again, core topics you all know, revise them. In those subjects, what are the core topics? For example, in polity, the core topics are basic structure doctrine, fundamental rights, parliamentary system, then chief minister and chief minister council, governor is core topic, right? Then your preamble is a core topic. So revise the core topics in the subjects. Solve one full length test every day at 9:30 a.m. Why? Because it will give you a real time simulation. इसी टाइम पर आपका रियल एग्जाम भी होता है, राइट? तो अपनी यू हैव टू सेट योर बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक नाउ. Starting from today onward, start doing that. Focus on intelligent guessing plus question solving techniques. I have shared this technique a lot of times. I will be pinning those techniques in the I button. Okay, so make sure that you focus on intelligent guessing, how to eliminate the wrong option, how to master the factual questions. Then comes week, the next week. ओके, तो हमने डे 8 से डे 14 कर लिया. अब हम नेक्स्ट वीक में आ रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक इज वेरी क्रूशियल बिकॉज हियर वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज अ लॉट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. We are going to revise high yielding current affairs Jan 2024 to Jan April 2025, either from your own current affair notes or from the monthly compilation by Super Kalam. सॉल्व वन टेस्ट डेली एंड एनालाइज. ये नहीं कि एनालिसिस बाद में करेंगे, टेस्ट को सॉल्व करने के बाद एनालिसिस करना शुरू कर दो. and brush up on important topics, maps, important places in news, important indices in news, important reports in news, important government schemes in news. All of these mind maps I have created and shared the link in the description box. Make sure that you revise and download those notes. आपके लिए notes बना दिए हैं, टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you do not have the notes, I have made the notes. It is in the description box. Revise it. Okay. And then the last week, that is the last 10 days. Last 10 days is the high performance zone. ये बहुत important है. Here you have to make sure that you are taking care of your body, your sleep cycle, your food intake and your mental health. कोशिश ये करनी है कि sleep ample लेनी है. I know it is tough, but make sure at least 6 to 7 hours good sleep you are taking. Because trust me, if your mind and body are fit, you will perform excellently well. एंड ऑल्टरनेटिव डेज पे फुल मॉक टेस्ट एंड लाइट रिवीजन डेज रखने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट डे आप फुल मॉक्स दे रहे हो, सेकंड डे लाइट रिवीजन, थर्ड फुल मॉक्स रिवाइज कर रहे हो, नो न्यू फुल मॉक्स, रिवाइज वॉट एवर यू हैव गिवन अर्लियर. एंड रिवाइज योर शॉर्ट नोट्स, अपने खुद के शॉर्ट नोट्स लाइक 20 पेजर जीएस नोट्स हैं, पीवाई क्यू थीम के ऊपर कोई नोट्स बनाए हैं आपने, वन लाइनर फैक्ट शीट्स हैं, रिवाइज करना है उसको. ठीक है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डीलिंग द योर एंटायर डे लाइक दिस. सो आप ऐसे ना डेली टाइम ब्लॉक्स बना सकते हो. 9:30 to 11:30 AM फुल मॉक दे रहे हो, 12 to 3 PM यू आर एनालाइजिंग द टेस्ट यू हैव गिवन, रिवाइजिंग टॉपिक्स वेयर यू मेड एरर्स. यू कैन इवन गिव PYQs इन दिस टाइम. मॉर्निंग टाइम में PYQs दो, सी सैट का टाइम भी रखो, 4 to 2 to 4 PM. कीप इट फॉर सी सैट ऑल्सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू. ओके, दिस इज फ्लेक्सिबल, आप इसको अपने हिसाब से मोल्ड कर सकते हो. Make sure that your weekly goal should be revising all 6 GS subjects plus you are revising full length 5 full length test plus you are revising current affairs plus you are revising your own notes. ये आपको अपना वीक का गोल रखना है. Treat mocks like the real exam. Don't panic if scores are inconsistent. Don't worry. Pattern पे ध्यान दो, marks पे ध्यान नहीं देना है mocks के अंदर. नहीं, 10 बजे के बाद फोन को डिटॉक्स मोड पे डाल दो, यानी कि फोन को देखना ही नहीं है. एंड प्लीज डू नॉट डू दी कैफाइन ओवरडोज. टी कॉफी इस पे एकदम जिंदा नहीं रहना है. पावर नैप्स लो. पावर नैप्स आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, दे आर मोर पोटेंट. डोंट चेज एनी न्यू कंटेंट. जितना पड़ा है उसको सॉलिड बना लो. दैट्स इट. ओके. सो दिस इज योर एंटायर रिविजन प्लान. मेक श्योर कि देखो प्रिलिम्स basically clears those who revise, not those who rush. तो make sure you are not rushing, but make sure you are revising. अभी सिर्फ रिवीजन ही है आपका एक मात्र ऐसा टूल जो आपको प्रीलिम्स में काफी कॉन्फिडेंस देगा. ठीक है. So make sure that you are focusing only on revision, and if you need any kind of help, you have our email ID ask@superkalam.com. कोई भी सजेशंस, कोई भी रिकमेंडेशन, कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, यहाँ मेल कर सकते हो आप. वी एज योर मेंटर्स आर ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट विद यू. ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन.